Hi guys! So we're on our way to the farm. Magka-groundbreaking ceremony kami. Nothing fancy. Magbabaon lang kami ng plano tsaka barya for luck. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Yan guys, so we're currently in San Pablo City. So ito yung Rizal Avenue and dito ako lumaki. Yan. So bago ako napadpad sa Manila, dito ako nag-college, dito rin ako nag-high school. Yun. Yan, so guys, San Pablo City Cathedral Church. O, diba? Yan. Built sometime in the 1800s. O, diba? Taray! Yan guys, so we finally made it. We're here at the farm. In a few minutes, we'll be starting our groundbreaking ceremony. Yan, our contractor is here. Pati yung architect namin, tsaka engineers. Yan. You can see we have here all the hard hats, the plan, the development plan, and some coins for good luck. So yun. Handa na ang golden shovel. Guys, meron palang meron palang color coding tong mga hard hats. So pagka daw ganito, mga engineers, ganyan, owners, tapos pagka yellow is foreman, tapos pagka blue is electrical. Ayan. Diba? Sige, short message na lang. So, first and foremost, we would like to thank our contractor for making this a reality. Kasi this is really our dream. Parang magkaroon ng property sa probinsya na pwede naming pag-retirean, ganyan. And at the same time, pwede rin maging source of income. So, thank you to the Porca family. They're very talented. So if you guys have any future projects, you can just go to their website. They have the contact information there. Yan, oo. So kontakin nyo na lang sila. Yan. So ito yung coins natin. Kasama. Oo, sige. Yan. Yan.
Sige. Tapos, ikaw ang magpala, ako magbababa.
Sige.
Bababa mo.
Sige. Guys.
Mga taong pinagpala.
Yan. Yay! Oo nga. Sige, picture daw. Ay, nakaganto. Oo, correct.
Congrats everyone.
Si Mama hindi naman nagpala eh.
Nagpala ako. Second.
Ah.
Oh.
Yes! Here guys, tingnan nyo nilalagyan ko ng ano. Baka kunin ni na Marlo yung barya. Pambili ng gin. Yan guys, so syempre meron kaming shrimp aglio olio. Yan, merong lumpiang Shanghai, isaw, may mga pansit. Of course, we love pansit. Yan, at saka ano to, parang menudo, no?
Menudo po ba yan?
Oo, menudo, yan. Care of Brick Oven Cafe. Ayan, tara.
Hindi ka makapunta na rito. Bahay Antigo naman, sa side din ang mga...
Sa bagay, sa side din ng mga entrance.
Wala lang kasi, wala nang additional
Oo,
itong pangalawa, ganun din.
Yan guys, I'm a bit exhausted kasi kahahatid ko lang kay Mama sa Merville. But I'm also happy that we've already accomplished our groundbreaking ceremony. And I'm very excited to go back to the farm next week kasi according to our contractor, matatapos na yung second kasita namin. So yun, so it was a tiring but fulfilling day. So yun, bye!